Happy New Year, everyone! Happy 2020 now. 2020 is pretty cool for me because I turned 20. This past year I did get LASIK done on my eyes. Yes, I did have glasses and I had very bad eyes. So I don't have to worry about glasses or contacts anymore. Perfect vision now. Anyways, but I hope everyone's year is going pretty good. So let me just get to it. Sorry, my dog came in. I am back with another makeup video. Okay, so I have so many eyeshadow palettes. I was thinking it'd be cool if I did like a look or two from each eyeshadow palette I have. So this is the palette I chose for today's video, the Nude palette from Huda Beauty. I actually really love this palette. Like, these colors are really nice. They're all very like simple, like not too much, like they're not like, yeah. So I'm trying to go for a look that is like, it looks like you have makeup on, but then at the same time it looks like you don't have makeup on. And like this look you could use like if you're, I don't know, you're going to school, you're going to work, you're going to an event, you know, like you don't want to do too much makeup. So that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, also guys, I dyed my hair purple. I don't know if you can tell, like it's been a couple washes, so some of the purple is fading, but I did dye my hair purple and I love it. Anyways, let's get to this video. Okay, so I already applied my foundation. I did my eyebrows. I put chapstick on, put eyeliner in my waterline. I did all of that. So make sure you guys do all of that too. So now we're gonna get started. What I'm gonna do is you are gonna take a brush. This one. We're gonna use this brush. If you are using this eyeshadow palette, use Bare. I always start off with a very, very light color to start as the base. So you're gonna take some of that, put Bare, and then put it all over your eyelid. Over your eyelid, and adjust the base. Oh, I hate being sick. And now the other eye. Okay, that was easy, wasn't it? No skills required. After you apply that, I take another light color, but I go towards like some of the browns. So if it's this palette, I would use Secret. This is a color I would use. Secret. So I'm going to take a little bit of that Secret and just put it on the corners of your eyes. It probably won't show as much, and that's fine. You don't need it to show. So just do the same thing with the other eye. Just put it on the corners. That's what I do it. It might show a bit, and it might not show. I go on to the next color that's darker than that. So after Secret, the next dark color I would use is Teddy. So I'm going to use Teddy now. And you do the same thing. You apply it on the corners of your eye. This one with this Teddy color, it might show up. And depending on how much it shows up, I choose to put another darker color on. Or I'll just leave it there, like if I don't want it to be that dark. So, now. You can probably see the colors a little more. Because I can if you can't, but okay, now what I'm going to do is I am just going to like blend it out a little because you can tell it's just like everywhere. So I will just blend it out to make it look softer and not messy. I'm going to go on to the next dark color. And I guess on here it would be Raw. That's the next color. So Raw is down here. So I'm going to use that. And this might be a little dark, so I'm just going to use a tiny bit first. And you do the same thing. You apply it on the corner. And when it's a dark color, I pat it instead of just like swiping it like that. So if you pat it, you don't get too much on your eyes. And now you will see that it has gotten darker. So I'm just going to add a little more. Okay, so now it looks like this so far. It looks darker on camera though. But yeah, that's how it is. And now you're basically almost done with your eyes. Now you're going to take another brush. And I'm going to use this. Okay. And I love glitter on my eyes. So I'm going to use Crave. Crave is the second one at the top. And this one is like a gold and pink type mixture color. So I take Crave, and all you're going to do, you're going to put it on the rest of your eyelids. You're going to start from here. You're going to start here and just swipe it on like that. And you can put as much as you want, like however much you want it to show. So I'm going to get a little bit more and put it on. And when you're putting it on, start from here and come here. And then once you get to where you were putting your crease, just do like lightly there because you don't want to cover up that color. And so now I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye and apply it over here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to blend it out again. So that is basically all you have to do with the eyeshadow. Okay, so that, it's not a lot and it's not too less. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is you are going to apply eyeliner if you want to. Let me put this on. Okay, so now after we finish the eyeshadow, we are going to apply eyeliner. And I didn't bring my eyeliner with me. Great. Okay, I got my eyeliner now. Okay, so you are going to apply eyeliner. You can add a wing if you want. You don't have to add a wing. Just apply the eyeliner however you apply it. So I'm going to do that. Okay, so after you put eyeliner on, I messed up on my wings, but you know what, I don't really care. So after you put eyeliner on, you can add your final touches with mascara. I'm going to use, this is the Essence Volume Stylist one. And I'm also going to use Maybelline's...
You do realize you're talking to a camera.
Okay.
Okay, and...
Maybelline's Lash Stiletto. So, just put them on. Okay, go. One. And you don't have to double the mascara. I like to double it. So, okay, now I got both of the mascaras on. And now you are basically done. I'm just going to do my lips and my contouring and highlight. And then that will be your finished look and you're done. You can walk out, go to school, go to work, go to a party, go to, I don't know, go somewhere. Just go. Okay, and now I got my lips on, I got my bronze, contouring, whatever it is. And now I'm just going to add highlight. That's it, just add, what's it called? Finishing spray? No, setting spray. So add setting spray and you are good to go wherever you want to. So yeah, that's the end of my video. I hope you guys liked it. Oh, a little public service announcement. I know some of y'all got TikTok, so I want you guys to go on TikTok and find my account. It is Muskan1099. That's my account. Is it focusing? I don't know if it's focusing. But yes, I make TikToks and I want to be famous on TikTok as well. So go follow me. Yeah, so go. go follow me. Okay, anyways, away from TikTok. If you guys liked this video and you want to see more of these, comment down below. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, so just comment down below what, if you want to see more videos like this. I have a lot of palettes. I have like mostly all the Anastasia ones, and I don't know what other ones I have. Yeah, but I have a lot, and if you want a makeup look from a specific palette, just comment it down and I will see if I have that one and make a look of that. But yeah, don't forget to follow my TikTok. Bye! Please like, comment down below, and subscribe. Anyways. This one, it's Essence Volume Stylist. Hello.